Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I really like this host I found. FITT, I guess. It's very lightweight, and when it fills up, it expands and it has a good flow and it doesn't kink. And when you shut it off, it empties itself, and you can coil it up empty. And really, I've used a lot of hoses in my life. This is the best one so far. I've had this almost a year, and it's holding up to weekly or twice a week use pretty good. So I just thought I'd pass that along. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to Froggy if you want some more do-it-yourself tips. See ya. Bye-bye. Be safe. Have fun.